Hello guys, in this video we're just going to be talking about paragraphs. And paragraphs are just basically units of a body of work, which could be a group of sentences or a single sentence. Now in HTML, it's very easy to denote paragraphs, and this is some of the headings we wrote in the previous video. And so I'm just going to add some space and start writing a paragraph, which is easily done using or denoted using left angle bracket followed by a p, which is the name of a paragraph tag. The tag name is just p followed by a right angle bracket and then some text. Let's say this is a paragraph, and of course a closing tag which has left angle bracket forward slash the tag name and a right angle bracket. And that's basically it. This is all there is to paragraphs. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Okay, so I'll see you in the very next video where we'll start talking about lists and the different types of lists that we have. Okay, have a nice day.